The Jet Mosquito was a briefly entertained conversion project of the classic de Havilland DH.98 Mosquito series fighter bomber, detailed elsewhere on this site. The Mosquito excelled in various roles during World War II, 1939 to 1945, and was produced in the thousands during, and after, the conflict. Its success only opened the aircraft to various proposed production types by the company, such was the over-battlefield potency of the wooden wonder. As the name suggests, the Jet Mosquito was to become a jet-powered development of the classic DH.98 offering. The airframe would have retained much of the form and function of the original save for slightly swept-back wing main-planes. The original propeller-driven engines naturally gave way to underwing nacelles housing turbojet engines. The crew resided under a bubble-style canopy offering excellent forward vision. The tail unit would have incorporated a single vertical tail fin and low-set horizontal planes. A tail dragger undercarriage arrangement was to be standard for ground running. Power was derived from two extra Havilland Harford H1, evolving into the Goblin series turbojet engines, to which a maximum speed of 445 miles per hour was estimated. The Goblin power plant went on to power several notable aircraft such as the Gloucester Meteor and de Havilland Vampire aircraft. An internal bomber load of up to 2,000 pounds was projected. The design, with paperwork appearing as early as mid-1942, did not progress beyond a few known drawings.